Community Nonprofit Organization Award recognizes an organization that has made a significant contribution to the overall health and livability of Benton County. The winning nonprofit improves the economic, medical, educational, or financial health of individuals in our community, enables and empowers people to improve their knowledge and skills for a better quality of life, benefits the underserved, underrepresented, or disaffected members of the community, and demonstrates high-quality treatment of employees and the public. The nominees for Community Nonprofit Organization of the Year are ABC House. ABC House provides comprehensive, child-friendly assessment and support services for children whom adults believe may have been abused or neglected. It is the only child abuse intervention center serving our area. ABC House receives no tax dollar funding, yet no family is ever turned away for an inability to pay. Benton Hospice Service. Benton Hospice Service provides compassionate, patient-centered end-of-life care to ease suffering, honor dignity, respect choices, and support grieving. It serves terminally ill patients, their families, and caregivers, as well as the local community through end-of-life education programs and support groups. Center for Nonprofit Stewardship. For nearly a decade, the Center for Nonprofit Stewardship has offered all nonprofits the resources to be sound and successful. Its annual workshop brings 500 to 600 nonprofit staff and volunteers from throughout our region to Corvallis to learn all there is about effective nonprofit work. It is the model nonprofit. Corvallis Mountain Rescue Unit. This organization provides countless hours of service and goes through just as many hours of training to help people who find themselves in extreme and dangerous situations. They do so often at significant risk and inconvenience to themselves and with the unending support of their families and loved ones. And they do this without any expectation of thanks or compensation. Corvallis Sustainability Coalition. The organization's vision is a community in which present needs are met without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. Formed in 2007, it is the flagship organization for sustainability in Benton County, with a thriving network of more than 250 partner organizations and 400 volunteers working to promote an ecologically, socially, and economically healthy city and county. Gifts for a Better World. Gifts for a Better World is an all-volunteer organization which operates a seasonal store for international and local nonprofits to sell merchandise that benefits artisans and organizations supporting human well-being, economic justice, and environmental stewardship. At the end of each season, all money earned after expenses and provisions for next year's inventory is donated to local charities. Mid-Valley Healthcare Advocates. Mid-Valley Healthcare Advocates has been active since the early 1990s, pushing for healthcare reform that would allow access to healthcare for all Oregonians. Its work has been valuable to remind us that healthcare is a moral, economic, and fairness issue that impacts individuals and businesses alike. The Corvallis Clinic Foundation. For nearly 6 decades, the Corvallis Clinic Foundation has been investing in a healthier future for our community. The Foundation's investments include giving scholarships to aspiring medical professionals, providing medical services to at-risk populations, and sponsoring Puttin' on the Pink, which raised $142,000 this last year alone for awareness, education, and support for local women facing breast cancer. Vina Moses Center. The Vina Moses Center serves as a link between community giving and those with limited resources to meet basic needs by providing clothing, household items, and school supplies, as well as emergency assistance for medical, shelter, heat, and transportation. The Vina Moses Center has been an integral part of the Corvallis community for over 95 years. They serve over 1,200 families each year. Congratulations to each organization, and thank you to their staff and volunteers for all that they do.